Today, I will be demonstrating the on-demand reports for online courses, along with the various drill-down reporting options you will have when using them. I am starting off on the Reports tab. I just click on the Course Reports tile, and then the On-Demand Reports tile. I have this one orientation course set up for this demo. I'll select it. You can see here I have these 4 tiles that get me to various reports already built in for this course. Up here, I have these 2 buttons. They let me create new reports for this course. I'll go into the user report. This report will show data for all users in this course. Up here you will see some visual representations of the data, which will switch from one bar graph to the next every few seconds. You can click on these number buttons here to go to a particular view. This last one is a screen of statistics for the data overall, which I personally find quite useful. Up here, you can use these buttons to export the report to Excel, print the report, or filter the report. As I take you through this demonstration, you will notice some or all of these same options on all the report screens I show you. I will click the Filter button. In this area, I can create a filtered report. For example, maybe I just want to report on users from a certain department, or maybe I just want to see users that have completed less than 50% of the course, or just users from a certain window of time. For this example, I'll set it up to just show me users from customer service. I can choose to save the report when I run it, which will let me view this report later from the main screen. For this example, I will just run it. So you can see that the data has changed now that the report is only considering users from customer service. Let me draw your attention to this area down here. You can see the users along with their progress, average, and time spent in the course. Now let me drill down into a specific user to get more data. Next to the user I'd like to view more data, I just click this report button here. This brings up a view for just this user. Again, along the top here are some visual representations for the data. In this course activity log area, I can see data regarding every tracked learning item in the course. I can click this report icon next to an item to get more detailed information regarding the item. In this learning activity section, I can see information regarding any scored items. These are typically the graded quizzes. To get more detailed data for one of these items, I just click this report icon next to the item. And here is complete information about the user for this quiz. It includes a category breakdown, the questions they were shown, and what answers they chose. If they answered a question incorrectly, it will be shaded in red. If the user has multiple quiz attempts, this filter button here will give you access to each attempt. In my example here, the user only had one attempt. The attempt that will show by default, and that counts towards the course score, is the attempt with the highest score. To get back to the course main report dashboard, I can just click this button here. If I had saved the filtered report for customer service employees, it would appear as a report tile I could select in this area. Since I did not, I have to recreate the filter. So I do want to go back in and show you a few more items, so I will go back into the user report again, and I will apply the same filter for employees and customer service. Now that I have this filter created, I can apply it to any other course. I simply need to select another course from this drop-down, and the same filtering will be applied. This icon here next to each user lets me archive a user's data for this course. This action will save basic data about the user into the archived reports area for this course, and then reset the user back to 0 so they need to start the course again. Next, I want to show you the activity report. I will click this button to return to the reports dashboard for this course. This time, I will click the activity report tile. This report shows the scored activities for this course. You can see the activities listed here with some basic data about the activity. All items will have this report button. This will show us a report on each user for this particular item. For graded quiz items, you will also have this second button. This is a question analysis report. You can see each question listed, with the number of times it was viewed, how many times it was answered correctly, and how many times it was answered incorrectly. If you click this button next to a question, you can view how many times each answer choice was selected. You can see the on-demand course reports are quite comprehensive. Thanks for watching.